Greetings to all and welcome to Eternal Materials Malaysia, EMM. This video will clearly explain about safety briefing for visitors who visit EMM. Your safety is the most important thing on behalf of EMM, therefore please enjoy this video so that your safety is guaranteed. First of all, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, you are required to wear a face mask in the correct way, except when eating or smoking. Measure body temperature and scan the MySejahtera QR code before entering the premises, as well as maintain a social distancing of 1.5 meters. Please make sure you wash your hands often, especially before eating and touching your face, after going to the toilet and after sneezing and coughing. EMM has its own safety and health policy as well as environmental policy that must be followed. Both policies can be found on the notice board next to the guard house. In EMM safety and health policy, the three things that must be adhered to are comply with safety and health regulation, full participation in continual improvement as well as effective training and communication for improving the safety and health culture. As for the environmental policy, high attention is still given to the three items mentioned in the EMM safety and health policy earlier. There is an additional item that explains about pursue safe production and develop green product in EMM environmental policy. This shows that EMM has a high determination in environmental protection. The picture shown is the plant plan of EMM. The plan can be classified into three parts using red, yellow and green colors. Green zone is a smoking area. You do not need to wear PPE in this area. In the yellow zone, you are prohibited from smoking and the use of PPE is not mandatory. If you enter red zone, you are required to wear complete PPE and smoking is prohibited. EMM has its own laws and regulations. First of all, you are prohibited from smoking in the prohibited areas as mentioned earlier. You are not allowed to bring cigarettes, vapes, electronic cigarettes, pods, lighters and matches into the factory. You can leave all the things mentioned earlier in your vehicle or guard house. Please use the yellow pedestrian walkway if you are walking in the factory. You are prohibited from entering or passing through the warehouse without permission. While walking or cycling, you are not allowed to use a mobile phone. Next, you are allowed to bring a mobile phone into the workplace, but you are prohibited from taking pictures and videos without permission from EMM personnel. Appropriate PPE should be worn while you are in the workplace or are in an area that requires the use of PPE. Notice board will be placed in areas that require the use of PPE. If you do not wear PPE in a particular area, EMM has the rights to expel you from the workplace. A complete set of PPE wearing including a safety helmet, safety glasses, safety shoes, long-sleeved shirt, and a vest or safety jacket. In EMM, there are a number of situations that will be captured as emergencies, such as unusually heavy odors, unusually loud noises, emergency broadcasts from nearby buildings as well as alarms or bells ringing. When the aforementioned situation occurs, you should begin emergency evacuation to a safe assembly point immediately.
Emergency. Api dijumpa di tempat kerja level 1. Sila bergerak ke tempat berkumpul sekarang dengan segera dan berhati-hati.
If you hear an emergency broadcast, please follow the instructions from the emergency broadcast and evacuate to a safe place immediately and carefully. This picture shows the emergency evacuation plan and the assembly point of EMM in the event of an emergency. Supervisors should conduct attendance checking to ensure that all of your members have gathered at the assembly point. Many thanks for your willingness to watch this video. EMM sincerely hopes that the safety of all visitors can be guaranteed. If you have any questions or problems, please do not hesitate to ask our staff. Please be informed that EMM staff is always ready to help and your safety is always EMM's priority.